How to download American Truck Simulator on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download American Truck Simulator. So first thing, just head over to your Steam application. If you haven't already, you can download it for free from Google Chrome or any of your browser. And once you have successfully downloaded it and installed it, just open the application and make sure you are also logged into your account. So as you can see, I've already successfully logged into my account. So what I will do is just click on this search bar and just search in for American Truck Simulator. So as you can see, when I search in for that, there will be different games related to it, and you can also find it the purpose of your game with regarding different locations, so you can choose any one of them. I'll just click on the first link over here, which is the main game over here, so you can actually see its trailer, how the game looked like, and find out how you like the game. And you can also see different types of screenshots from the games over here to your liking. And once you are satisfied, you can just first try it out for the demo version as well. You can see there's a download option to try a demo version of the game, and once you are fully satisfied, you can then try to buy the game from over here by simply heading over to this button over here and add to cart. And once you click on it, you can also choose any one of the versions of the game, because as I've showed you previously, there are many versions of the game. So just tap on this add to cart button and you will have to proceed with your payment details and everything else by simply following the on-screen instructions. You can just download the game just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.